Dana Brown, and I'm Xojo's Director of Marketing. In this tutorial, we're going to see how easy it is to use more than 2,400 symbols or glyphs provided by the San Francisco font that's included in the iOS operating system and also in the latest macOS releases. This will allow us to add any kind of icons for the toolbar buttons in our iOS projects and also use them at any size and scale in the drawing of the canvas objects. One of the main benefits is that we will get the maximum resolution and quality at any size we want to use them. So let's start. Besides the example app we can see here, the initial point is the utility of the SF symbols that you can download for free from the Apple website at the address shown here. Once downloaded and installed on your computer, you'll be able to use the tool displayed where we can see all of the available symbols that we can use in the development of our iOS apps with Xojo. As you can see, every glyph provides very useful information when it is selected, like the minimum operating system version and the name that we need to use to refer to that glyph or symbol. As you can see here for our example app, we use the pencil tip crop circle, the pencil tip crop circle badge plus, and the badge minus. So how did we create our example app in order to use these symbols? Really simply, thanks to the Xojo framework. And we can now see in our example project, we have set a by default screen with a canvas on it. Then we simply added the paint event handler to the canvas in order to draw a picture created from the name of the glyph, and also providing the desired size through the picture.systemImageShare method. Of course, we can also use the additional parameters in this method, like the color group or the fallback template image we want to use in case that symbol is not available. Once the picture image has been created at the desired size with the system image method, then we only need to use the draw picture method from the graphics class, providing both the picture instance to draw and the X and Y origin coordinates. As a result, we will get the glyph of the moon painted in the canvas, as we can see in the example app. For the toolbar icons, the process is not too much more complex. As you can see in the opening event handler for the by default screen, we follow a similar technique, but in this case applied to the creation of the new mobile toolbar button instances. Here we use the constructor method to provide the toolbar type as plain and the string we want to use as the icon caption, in this case an empty string. And then we use the same shared method from the picture class in order to create an image from the glyph name. When it is about buttons, we don't need to provide the size because it will be scaled to the one already used by default by the toolbar buttons on iOS. Once we created the 3 buttons, we only need to add them to the toolbar. And that's all. So this is the way you can use all of these glyphs in the design of your own iOS apps with Xojo. I hope you found this video helpful. Tell us in the comments if you tried it out, and please subscribe to our channel if you want notifications of new videos.